Increase your Instagram followers for free and help others at the same time. No, it's not that easy to get more followers on your Instagram account. With the help of Instagram Money Tree, you can get free Instagram followers without much effort. So, with the help of Instagram Money Tree, you can get more Instagram followers completely free. Step 1. Just create your Instagram Money Tree account to get started. Instagram Money Tree is a fantastic option if you are trying to get more followers on your Instagram account. Get Instagram Money Tree here. InstagramMoneyTree.com/Rhonda Brazzi. The link will be below this video.